do not need to go out and buy no ABH brow pomade. You don't need to go do none of that. Listen to me, y'all. Do y'all see this brow? Back to my channel, you know what I'm saying? Gang, gang.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how y'all can get your eyebrows on fleek for like, I don't know what the title of this video gonna be. It really can be like $3, maybe $3, probably so $3. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how y'all can get y'all brows on fleek like this for $3. Like, it's literally so simple, so easy, and I really hope you guys like learn something from this tutorial, because like this is literally what I've been doing for like since I've been doing my eyebrows. If you guys enjoy this video, like this video, please don't forget to like actually like it, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, because I am paying attention to the comments. I'm going to try to be more active in my comment section, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, I'm sorry y'all, I'm not violent, but if you subscribe you can be lit too. And we're about to hit, what we about to hit? We about to hit what, 300K? We about to hit 300K, y'all. We about to hit 300K, and I looked at my stats, and only 27% of the people who watch my videos are subscribed to my channel. Like, that's really crazy. I know sometimes I forget to subscribe to people, so just make sure, just check right now and make sure to subscribe to my channel, because you could be a part of the cash babies, period. I know I'm so annoying, y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's just get right into this video. My nails are broke, don't talk about me, but yeah, go. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this eyebrow tutorial is you're gonna need an eyebrow pencil, not an eyebrow sharpener, a pencil sharpener, any kind of concealer, a spoolie. You're gonna need 2 different brushes, one to clean up under your brows and one to clean up on top of your brows, and I think that might be it. I think that's all you need, so yeah. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure our pencil is sharpened. I've done my eyebrows with my pencil not sharpened. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and cap to y'all, like I don't be doing that, but for this eyebrow tutorial we're gonna sharpen it. You don't want it like too sharp because it's gonna end up breaking when you know, y'all know how that goes, but just sharp enough so it's not like dull. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna brush your eyebrows. I like to brush my eyebrows up just because like I can see the shape more on the bottom when I brush them upward. And then you want to take your brush and you want to go really lightly in the beginning, because we like ombre brows. If you're one of them people who don't like ombre brows, just go ahead and exit the video, because I like my brows to be a little bit lighter at the tip, because that's just how my natural brows are, as you guys can see. So yeah, I like a good ombre brow. So what you want to do is you want to take your pencil really lightly. Ooh, I have to literally calm myself down. I get anxiety when it's time to do my brows. Okay, anyways, you want to take your pencil and go really lightly at the tip. Now, I do like to bring my eyebrows a little bit closer to my tip. Like, it should be like, okay, so this is the center of your nose and this is the end of your nose. It should be like right in the middle. So like, I bring my brows right there. And so really lightly, and then I keep tracing along the bottom of my brows. And I find it really important that if you don't upkeep your actual brow, it makes it 100 times harder to actually like fill them in. So make sure like you get your brows threaded or waxed, or you even pluck them or shave them, or whatever your preference is. Make sure that you do that, because it's gonna make your brows come out like 100 times better. So what I just did is I just traced under my brow. So I just got one little straight line like that. And then what we're going to do is I'm just going to follow my natural shape along the top. And I'm going to also take this pencil really lightly at the top, because like I said, I like ombre brows. So take it really light here. By the way, y'all, I am using this Color Mates, it says eyeliner pencil. I use it for my brows, and they come $2 for $1. So yeah, you can find this at, I believe, you can either, I got this from Big Lots, but I know that they sold it in the dollar store, so maybe you can still find them in the dollar store. But I got these from Big Lots, and they come $2 for $1, so it's really cost efficient and it works well. We're gonna keep tracing my natural brow until we get about here. So when we get here, as you guys can see, my natural brow starts to thin out, and that's not what we're going for. So I'm just going to give myself a little arch and then connect at the end like so. Now the end is a little bit thick right now. I'm going to clean that up later when it's time to use concealer. But now I'm just gonna go back in and just fill in my brow. For the important part, we're gonna take our spoolie and we're gonna start blending these lines that we made, because they shouldn't be too distinct. Like, you want them to know, like, okay, yeah, I tried to make my brows look on fleek, but you don't want them to see the actual line. And I see a lot of girls mess up on this part because they forget to blend it. So you want to make sure you blend really well so that it looks as natural as possible. See how it's blending out really ombre at the top? And you want to keep blending throughout the bottom all the way to the end. And as you're brushing, if you see any spots that are like, that doesn't have much product, make sure that you go back and you fill those in. Okay, boom. So now we have one eyebrow done. We're gonna go ahead and go to this side, and I'm gonna walk you guys through it again so that you guys can get my little method. So you wanna brush your brows up so that you can see the bottom of your natural shape. Take your pencil and you're gonna go really lightly. Start at the tip of like kind of in the middle, like right here, your nose, and just start there and start drawing your line really lightly. Do like that. So now we have our outline, and then we can just start drawing the rest of the line, which is pretty easy, just following your natural shape. And then we're gonna go on the top and we're gonna follow our natural shape once again. Now my eyebrows are shaped a little bit different, which makes it like sort of kind of harder to make them look more like twins. I'm one of those girls who want my eyebrows to look like twins, not sisters. But I try my hardest because, like I just said, they're two different shapes. Like, one have a larger arch than the other one, so I have to kind of make this one do like I don't know which is which, but I know one of them has a higher arch because my thread lady always tell me about it. So once you get about here, you want to create that arch once again. And just drag it down and connect it like so. So boom. So now what you want to do is you want to go back and fill in some of these spots that you may have missed. Now we're going to blend it out. The most important part, make sure you guys blend. Please blend. Don't nobody want to see that straight line that you made. You want people to be like, oh my god, like your eyebrows look really good. Like you want them to really know you took some time on these bad boys. And it doesn't even take me that long. Like, this is super duper easy. It's super easy. All you need to do is just do what I say, period. So now we're gonna move on to our concealer. I used to use a more pasty concealer, like more of like how do I put this, like a thicker concealer, but I'm gonna be using this one because this is the concealer that I use on my face and I don't want my face to look like a little off. So I'm gonna be using this Maybelline concealer. You can use whatever concealer you use, and we're gonna put a little bit of this on the back of our hand, about this much. You don't need a lot. And if you're not really into the highlighted look, you can go ahead and take your foundation color, but I don't mind the highlighted look. It's like not too, as you guys can see, like it's not that far off, but you know, it's still gonna give me a natural highlight. So if you're not really into a natural highlight, or you're not into a highlight at all under your eyebrows, make sure you just go in with your foundation or something that matches your skin color. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush. It's super flat, super sharp, and I make sure that I do like this to the brush beforehand, so it makes it even more sharp and even more flat. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this concealer and just lightly, you don't want a lot of product on this because you can mess up your eyebrows like this. So you want to just make sure you get like a little bit on there, not too much. You don't want it to be chunky at all on this brush because it will mess it up. I like to start like kind of in the middle of my nose because it kind of helps me as like a guideline. And so I start right here and I go really slow. And just try to line, like get right up under your eyebrows. It gives it a really sharp and clean look. You want to make sure you get right up under there. And drag it down. And then I'm just going to take this same brush and I'm going to use this to blend out that concealer up under my brow. Y'all see that? Like really sharp, really clean, really nice, and real fleeky. You got two brows on fleek on the bottom. Now I don't like the highlighted look on the top, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of my foundation. I'm going to take some of this on the back of my hand also, just a little bit. You really don't need a lot of this. So I'm going to take a completely different brush. It's like the same concept. It's really flat and really sharp, and I'm just going to take some of that foundation and I'm going to clean up the top of my brows. You want to do the same thing. You don't want a lot of product on this brush at all, just a little bit, just enough to clean up on the top. Now I don't like this hella sharp, like I don't like that. I kind of like my brows to be a little rounder than sharp. I'm just gonna soften that out. So yeah, boom. Eyebrow, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Like, do y'all see my eyebrow right now? You do not need to go out and buy no ABH brow pomade. You don't need to go do none of that. Listen to me, y'all. Do y'all see this brow? And it's not going nowhere all day, I promise. That is literally all I do for my brows. It's really easy, really fast. You want to just blend that up. You don't want no strong line right there. I just take my sponge and go over my eyelid. You don't want to get too close to your eyebrow though, because it'll mess it up. Make sure you go in the middle. Y'all see how good my eyebrows look right now? Like, I cannot make this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna be back to show you guys the finished product. And yeah, so this pretty much concludes the end of this video. I really hope you guys' eyebrows are gonna be on fleek. Please do not forget to send it to me on my DM, or like maybe like on Instagram, Snapchat. It don't matter. Like, send me y'all pictures of when y'all like recreate stuff, because like I just really enjoy when you guys send me like the recreations of the looks that I show you guys on YouTube. So just make sure, like, it just takes 2 seconds to just send me a picture, and most likely I'm gonna repost you. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to actually like physically like it, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's a fact. That's a whole fact. Like, ask my cash babies, they all lit now. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.